for this unit, I'm going to give you slightly different information that will help you to either think about purchasing it or at least give you an idea of how much room it takes up. So first of all, it's this particular one, Power 0002, a 16 way. Now I'm just going to take it out and we're going to do some basic measurements. So the length is 36.5 centimeters by 14.5, just under 14.5 inches. The height is 26 centimeters, so it's just over 10 inches. Now the width, let's do it without the cover. First of all, you can see it's 10 centimeters, again just over 3.5 inches. With the cover on, we've got 11.5 centimeters, again 4.5 inches. That gives you the size of the unit itself. Let's spin it round, show you where the wires would go. So let's just start there. We have it there at 5 centimeters and there just over 21 centimeters if you took from top to bottom. Obviously it's 5 centimeters there, and again there it looks like it's offset about 6 centimeters down. There, 6 centimeters down from the front. Let's now look at the back. The mounting screws, you can see it's 31.5, which is roughly 12.5 inches. The distance between the two looks like it would be between, well, 19.5 centimeters between the two holes, which is, we're talking about 7.75 inches. Right, the distance between the back side, 25 millimeters, 2.5 centimeters. It's like 1 inch, so it's 1 inch in. Alright, so we have the wires that will come out here. I'll put that down. So this will be the bottom. So you've got one there at 3, 7.5, 11.5, 15, 18.5, 21.5, just over, 25, just over, 29, and just under 34 centimeters between the hole. You have the side holes. You can see 5 centimeters, looks like just touch over 21 centimeters. Again, just under 2 inches, and 8.25 inches. Distance between the two, you can see it's about 16 centimeters. This side is identical, so I won't do that. Larger ones. So again, you can see 4, just over 9, just over 13, 16.5, 20, 23.5, 27.5, 22.5. The dimensions sorted out. Let's take it. Don't take these out completely because they're held in place. There, held in place. So if you take them out, obviously they're going to be lost and more time wasted. What do we have here? This particular one has them all filled up. So what we've got here, again, you've got the mounting things there. Quite tricky to get to a couple of them, but it shouldn't be too difficult. There are lots more information on other videos, but I thought I'd give you those particular ones that I think are important. The size of it, so that you buy the correct one. I have got caught out quite a few times where the space I had was too small for the unit that I bought, which meant I had to do modification as opposed to taking it back. Don't forget all the bits, very easy to do. Right, so I think that's it. So thank you for watching. If you could, please share, like and subscribe.